Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I got some good news and bad, as you probably saw the title. Good news is I got a job. I started basically last Thursday. I had orientation, and then I went in Friday for a little training. It wasn't a full day, but I didn't know what my work schedule was. And then I said, well, I'll be here tomorrow, 7:30 in the morning. I said, okay, I'll be here. And I was. And I worked throughout the day, and then I think around a couple hours before we were off, I asked the guy, my manager, who's cool, by the way. I said, hey, am I working tomorrow? And he goes, yep. You work all the way up until Wednesday. So you have Thursday, Fridays off. I'm like, oh. So I just haven't gotten around to shooting a cast iron Wednesday. In fact, I'm still wearing my work shirt. I basically just walked in the door, took off my shoes and socks, put my sweats on. I mean, taking off my hat with my horrendous bedhead. I need a haircut. But anyway, I didn't get around to shooting cast iron Wednesday this week, so I do apologize. But I got a new job. I already know what I'm going to make for next week. Probably Friday, my day off, I'm going to make it. And yeah, we'll go from there. So apologies about video tomorrow, but if you're wondering the job, I got a job as a driver. I'm a fleet transportation driver for a rental car company. So like for today's example, we showed up for work, clocked in, went out, and they said, hey, we're driving to Bellingham from SeaTac. So got in a car, drove all the way to Bellingham, and then we took a shuttle back. And then it ate up a lot of time because there were some issues, and one of the drivers was late getting there because, like, just as they were leaving, they got a warning about the transmission. I forget what it was called. And so they came back. So we had to wait for them, and then we had to wait for the guy working the desk because he just decided to leave the desk unattended and go do other things, and we had to like give him the keys for the vehicles. And so that was interesting. So we actually didn't get back until like almost to about 1:30. So no, about 2 o'clock. So we were late getting back and some other stuff, but you know, I'm not gonna bore you with the little mini details. But working good, no video, bad. My apologies. Next week I'll get something up. Till then, have a great rest of your week. Enjoy Cast Iron Wednesday with the other videos. Don't forget to check the playlist. I'll probably try to put it in the description to see what others are up to, Sean and whatnot. So take it easy. We'll catch you next one.